Okay guys, so ayan, puntahan nyo yung Run Mobile the Masterclass dito sa Facebook page na meron sila. Okay, ngayon, ayan, may post yan, and Mediafire. Nandito yung link na to. I-click nyo lang yun, tapos i-download nyo. Pero bago yan, syempre basahin natin to. Sabi ni Santelmo, developer to ng Run Mobile. So ayan, sabi, we are done with scaling our servers. The server is now running with 3 channels available. Please download the new APK to avoid in-game issues. Ibig sabihin, di-delete nyo yung APK na meron kayo before. Okay, take note, we are still in OBT phase. From the gathered data, network objects, mobs and players alike send same data size to the server. Our game consists of 11 maps totally, with over 600 mobs on each map, which acts like a player plus the influx of players. 4K players made our server network have delays in communicating to every client. Okay, on our last test, we only tested 5,000 plus network objects, mobs, and players from alpha test to early access. The game is playable and responds smoothly. To handle this data, we've conducted that with nearly 10k plus network object, mobs, and players throughout our server must be hosted in almost 30 plus core server. Throughout our server machine, we still have issues on this, so expect us to update our server accordingly. Sabihin, mag-update sila na mag-update ng server dito. Ngayon, this data help us on what we should do and add in scaling the server. We are grateful to all of the OBT testers on day 1, and in return we will send 2 times 7 hours rosary to every account registered on October 1, 2023 and before. Okay, we remain committed to fulfill our promise to everyone that will give you run into mobile, and this has been proven multiple times. Okay, from EA to alpha testers. And sabi na dito, I know some of our followers have great intellect. Please bear with our team and be thankful to our team's effort on fulfilling our promise to everyone. Please join Gilded server to stay updated in our game and team updates. Patch notes, andito yung mga update nila. Scroll drops added to Dark Swordsman Jr. Okay, dyan yung makikita yung mga scroll na hinahanap nyo. Added 2 channels. Ayan na, 2 channels. May channels na bago. So, syempre hindi na siguro tayo maglalag dyan, pero expect nyo yan kung yung cellphone nyo is low specs pa lang yun. So, talaga may hirapan kayo nyan. Pick some invisible obstacles. Added failover address to patcher. Fix some quest requirements are not working. Fix some UI misplacement. Fix rosary box 7 hours being tradable. Added radius to melee attacks. Okay, if your game is not updating in our in-game patcher, okay, try to release the app then reopen it. Okay, ngayon i-download natin siya. Ganyan lang simple. So, siyempre kaya ako siya binasa para at least may idea kayo, 'di ba? Dun sa nangyayari bago kayo maglaro. Ayan, na-download nyo kasi yan. Pwede natin gawin, uninstall muna natin yung Run Mobile. Ayan, app info, clear data, tapos uninstall. Okay, back to page tayo. antayin natin matapos yung ano, yung download. Ayan. So matagal yan guys, no? 501.87 MB to. Okay, so ayan, download na natin. Make sure na wala na yung old ATK nyo para hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema sa pag-install na itong Run Mobile. Tayin nyo lang yan. Basta wag nyo lang mamadalin kasi maayos naman may install yan. Ayan, pagka install, open. Yan, downloading assets na ulit. So antayin nyo lang yan guys, wag nyo mamadalin. Pag natapos yan, lalabas yung ano dyan, yung matawag dito, yung login tsaka register. So fast forward ko na lang ulit, no? Antayin ko matapos to, tapos balikan ko ulit. Okay, so ayan guys, no? Pagkatapos ma-download ng assets, ang gagawin nyo lang is syempre i-agree nyo tong terms of use, accept nyo lang yan, pero syempre basahin nyo na lahat ng nandyan. Hindi ko nababasahin yan, kayo na bahala dyan, and accept. Okay, dun sa mga nagda-download na nag-i-stack up, reset nyo lang, tapos close nyo yung app nyo, X nyo, editin nyo yung pag-download ng resources. So kailangan dyan naka-wifi kayo kasi mahirap talaga mag-download, lalo na kapag maraming nag-online katulad nyo, sabay-sabay yung tao. So yan, connect mo lang, connect. Pag ganyan, syempre antayin mo yan. Yun lang ang pinaka-choice, antayin mo yan. Lalabas naman yung ano dyan, lalabas naman yung login dyan, tapos yung ano tawag dito, register. Ayan, either mag-login ka or mag-create. Kapag mag-create ka, ayan, lalabas yan. Okay, sample, username, gagawa ko username, meron na pala ang account. Ang gawin lang natin, ayan, basta ang gagawin mo, username, password, tapos confirm password and email mo syempre. Tapos pagka nakaka-create ka na, ayan, syempre papasok ka na. So ila-login ko na muna yung akin, no? Okay, so pag nakapasok ka, ayan, ito meron yung create, click mo yan. Yan, dyan ka na pipili ng school mo sa taas. Female, male, yan, brawler, archer, swordsman, shaman, in-game name mo, tapos yan, hairstyle, and mga hair color. So yan nga ng mga lodi. Tatry na natin pumasok. Kayo na bahala gumawa ng character nyo dyan. So ayun nga guys, no, kapag hindi kayo makapasok, try nyo lang mag-login dito. Antayin nyo lang talaga, yun lang talaga yung choice nyo. Kasi sobrang dami ng tao so hindi naman natin makakontrol sa dami ng excited na maglaro. Hindi rin naman natin masisisi yung devs kung hanggang saan pa lang ang kaya nilang i-open na channel, dahil nga kailangan ng budget. So ayun, tignan na lang natin sa mga susunod na araw kung ano pa yung mga pwede maggawa ng developers na na paraan para dito. Pero so ngayon, mas maganda antayin nyo lang talaga, and sana huwag kayo magsawang sumuporta sa Run Mobile. And kung makakapasok man kayo, report nyo lang yung mga bugs, pero sana iwasan natin puro rant ng rant, kasi magkaiba yung ranting sa pagre-report. So ayun lang guys, siguro hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog ko about dito sa Run Mobile. Hoping na makapasok kayo kung gusto niyo talaga makapaglaro, and good luck sa pagpapalevel.